Now we'll do sum number 31. Here it is given 77. It is told that express 77 as the difference of two squares. So we have to use that formula. AB equals to what we have written? AB equals to A plus B by 2 whole square minus A minus B by 2 whole square. So this was in that form as the difference of two squares. AB equals to A plus B by 2 whole square minus A minus B by 2 whole square. So 77, we can write 11 into 7. Now it is in the form of A and B. So we can write 11 plus 7 by 2 whole square minus 11 minus 7 by 2 whole square. Clear? It is in that form 11 into 7. So it is A, it is B. We can write A plus B by 2 whole square minus A minus B by 2 whole square. So 11 plus 7, 18 by 2 whole square minus 4 by 2. So it is becoming 9 whole square minus 2 whole square. So we have expressed this as the difference of two squares. You had 77 and we had expressed it in that form of difference of two squares. 9 square minus 2 square. Clear? Now next one. Here it is told that express here sum. So we will not apply this formula. 32, that is given 125. So here we will not apply this formula. This formula is applicable only to express as difference of two square. Clear? Now it is told that express as the sum of two square. 125. 125 we can write in that form 100 plus 25. Clear? So 100 means 10 square plus 25 5 square. So it is expressed as the sum of two square. And this 125 again we can write in that form. 125 equals to, we can write 121 plus 4 also. So 121 means 11 square. So 11 square plus 2 square. So it is also as the sum of 2 square. Clear? Either you can write in this form or you can write in that form. 125, 100 plus 25 or 121 plus 4. Clear? But when it will be written that expressed as the difference of two square, then you will apply this formula. A plus B by 2 whole square minus A minus B by 2 whole square. Then next one, 33. X equals to 3y, it is told. Then find the value of this. Clear? Now, first we will express it in the form of perfect square. There is minus, so obviously it will be in the form of A minus B whole square. This equal to, we can write x square minus 2 into x. From here we will get 3y. So 3 2 is a 6, 6xy we are getting. Yeah. Now this equal to, we can write x minus 3y whole square. So what we did? We first expressed it in the form of perfect square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. Now value of x given 3y. So we put here 3y minus 3y whole square. Now cancel 0 whole square. So your answer is coming 0. Then number 34. 4x square plus 12x. Here one term is missing. What is to be added with this so that the sum is a perfect square? So for perfect square, the formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square or a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it will be either a plus b whole square form or a minus b whole square. Now you are saying here that 4x square plus 12x. So one term is missing. We have to find out how it is in that form. 4x whole square means we can write 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x. There is 12x. From here 4 2 2s are 4, 4, 3 required. Clear? So 3 means if I can write here in that 3 square, so this one equals to, we can write to 2x plus 3 whole square. Clear? It is a perfect square. It is a perfect square. Now we had up to this, we have added this portion. So how much you have added? 3 square means 9. So your answer will be 9 should be added. 9 should be added. Clear? Next, find the value of p for which the expression is a perfect square. Okay, 35 you will give star mark. It is different, right? 35. Nine 25 y square. Now see, first one I am doing in this form, 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into, from here what I am getting, 5y whole square. So 5y. So it is coming 3x whole square plus 3 2s are 6, 5 6 are 30. 30xy plus 5y whole square. So if we come, this is 9x square plus 30xy plus 25y square. Now if we compare this one and this one, you see 9x square, 9x square. There is 25y square, 25y square. Pxy, 30xy. So in place of p, what we are getting after calculation? 30. Value of p here we are getting 30. Clear? When we are doing by using plus sign, then value is coming plus positive, plus 30. Now this same sum, see how I am doing by another way. Then what I am getting, the value of p. This equal to, I can write p positive here given, but it is not told that p should be positive. P may be negative also. How? See here, if I write it is in this form, minus 2 into 3x into 5y. We can write, so this equal to 3x minus 5y whole square. A perfect square is coming, and this is 9x square minus 30xy plus 25y square. So if you compare this and this, here value of p is coming minus 30. Clear? So when we will use positive formula, plus formula, a plus b whole square, then we are getting value of p 30, plus 30. And when we are using a minus b whole square formula, then value of p is coming minus 30. Here, so the answer will be plus minus 30. That means p equals to plus minus 30. It may be positive or it may be negative. It may be positive, it may be negative. So both the form you have to see. Show. Otherwise, you will get half mark if anyone will write in exam that value of p is plus 30. Then you will not get full marks. Okay. Then next one may come in the form of SAQ part. In exam 36, a square minus 2a plus 1 equals to 0. It is given. Find the value of a to the power 15 plus 1 by a to the power 15. First, from here, what is given? We will find out the value of a. Now it is in this form, a square minus 2 into a into 1 plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Or next step, we can write a minus b whole square equal to 0. Or a minus b equals to 0. That means from here we are getting value of a 1. Now you have to calculate this. So a to the power 15 means 1 to the power 15 plus 1 by 1 to the power 15. Now 1. If you multiply 15 times or 1000 times or 900 times, whatever may be, your value always will come plus 1. So 1 to the power 15 means 1. And here also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So from here, we have to first calculate the value of a. Clear? And then we have to put over here. Now I am changing this. Suppose it is given a square minus 2a plus 1 whole square in your book. I am writing here a square plus 2a plus 1. Clear? Now this one, then you see how the value will be changed. Here we can write it is in that form 2 into a into 1 plus 1 square equal to 0. Or it is not given in your book, but I am telling you. See. Then a plus 1 is coming 0. Value of a is coming minus 1. Clear? In this case, your answer will come 2. No. See. 15. So here minus, here minus. Now see. There is odd number. 15 is odd number. So minus, negative sign. If you multiply odd number of times, then your sign will be negative. So minus 1, if you multiply odd number of times, 15 times, it will become negative. Clear? Here also it is coming negative. So your answer will be minus 2. Clear? Again same. This is given, but here it is given even number. Suppose it is given 30. Here, then minus 1 to the power 30 plus 1 by minus 1 to the power 30. Now minus 1. When you will multiply even number of times, then it will become positive. Here it will become plus 1. Here also plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So, different types I have told. Then next. Then express as a square. This is also, you will give star mark. Expressed as a perfect square. Clear? So what to do? First, we'll multiply this. We'll open the bracket by multiplication. This into this means x square, y square, minus this. First I am writing this, opening the bracket, minus this, minus minus, plus this. Now you see this and this is cancelled out, this and this is cancelled out. So here what we are getting, x square, y square, minus 1, that means minus 2 plus 1 by x square, y square. Clear? Now what is the question? That express as a perfect square. Okay, now this we can write in this form, xy whole square minus 2 into xy into 1 by xy plus 1 by xy whole square. 1 by xy whole square. We can write now xy will be cancelled out, so you will get 2. So after this, what we can write? After this, we can write xy minus 1 by xy whole square, which is a perfect square. Is a perfect square. Clear? Now this find the value of this. Easy one I am doing now. See, 40. Sum number 40. Find the value of this. Now 0.73, it is written 2 times, so we can write it in that form, whole square plus it is also twice. Clear? Now it is in that form, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write it in that form, a plus b whole square. So it is coming 0.73 plus 0.27 whole square. Now after adding, what we are getting? 7, 3, 10. 1 whole square means it is coming 1. Clear? So what we have done here? First, I have told you, I have explained you how to do this sum, but in exam time, I see some of you again will do by that method. You will simply multiply this into this, plus this into this, plus this into this, a lengthy process, then you will add. But here, by using the formula very easily, we can do 0.73 whole square plus 2 into this plus this. Now this is in the form of a square plus twice ab plus b square. So this equal to, we can write a plus b whole square. So it is coming 1, after addition it is coming 1. Your answer is 1 square. Okay. So many sums from this exercise I have done in videos. Then next remaining sums you will get in next video. Bye.